So how does the insight that Hill teaches help develop both self-improvement ideas and money-generating ideas?
Hill was all about wealth. He wanted people to be rich. And that's what Think and Grow Rich, and the title Think and Grow Rich is actually confusing. First you have to think. He says thoughts are things. Actually, thoughts become things. You think about something, and then you're willing to take an action. It doesn't just start with an action, it starts with a thought. And Hill put himself in a position where he wanted everybody to have lots of money because he felt like if he could create wealth, look at the fans he would have. Look at the people who would go, oh, Napoleon Hill, that guy got me to be a millionaire. And he got many people to be millionaires by thinking and then doing. So it's think, comma, then grow rich.